Hey everybody, I'm Christy Burns, the CEO of My Town Today. I just wanted to take a few minutes today to walk you through a quick tutorial of how to become a local ambassador for My Town Today. When you go to sign up as an ambassador, you would click on the local ambassador link, scroll down to the bottom, and fill out our online application. Make sure that you check the check boxes for the terms of service and the privacy policy. Sometimes that gets missed and it won't let you go forward if you don't check those boxes. Make sure if you have a coupon code that you click that as well and put in your coupon code and select join and fill out all your financial information and submit. That's all you need to do to become a local ambassador. And after that, you'll get 2 emails from My Town Today, one with your receipt and the other giving you the information for your login. And then you can start utilizing the tools on My Town Today. Thank you so much for joining us for this quick tutorial on becoming an ambassador for My Town Today, and I can't wait to see you.